The O sound. Dogs love chewing bones. Look at that fishing boat. I ate a bowl of cereal. By the end of this lesson, you'll know exactly which words contain this sound. Welcome to this perfect pronunciation lesson. We're going to focus on the O sound today. Now, first of all, we need to say that this sound is a vowel sound, but it's actually two vowels squeezed together. So in English, we have single vowel sounds, but we also have double vowel sounds, which are called diphthongs. And when you have a double vowel, two vowels are squeezed together. And it's almost like one sound, but it's actually two vowel sounds. So let me give you an example. Imagine the sound a. For example, and. The vowel sound is just one single sound, a. But if I say the word toe, for example, my big toe, O is actually two vowel sounds squeezed together. And O is the vowel sound we're going to focus on today. Let's look at this target sound in practice. Here are some words. You can repeat after me to practice these words, this sound. Joe, toe, so, only, alone, phone, show, float. Okay, excellent. Now, did you hear how I pronounced the O sound? Also, notice my mouth, the shape of my lips and mouth when we make the sound. Joe, toe, so. We make our mouth rounded. Our lips are rounded and we fully complete the sound. So don't say Joe and close your mouth. You have to open your mouth again. Joe. Okay? You have to complete the sound. And remember, it's not one vowel, as in jo, Joe. It's two vowel sounds squeezed together. Now, to make the sound much clearer, to easily understand the sound I'm talking about, I have some minimal pairs for you to listen to. Now, these are the two sounds we're going to compare. The target sound, O, and the comparison sound, or. Or is a single vowel sound, but it's a long vowel. Our target sound, O, is two vowel sounds squeezed together. So listen and repeat after me. Coat, court. Boat, bought. So, saw. Bowl, ball. Okay, I hope that comparison has made the sound clearer for you. I hope you can understand it better now. Finally, we're going to read a short passage, very, very short. And it doesn't really mean much. It's just a quick passage that I wrote. But I've included lots of the target sound, the O sound. And I want you to listen and try and think which sounds, which words have the sound that we are targeting, O. Let's read this passage. Listen, and afterwards you can pause the video and just have a think which words have the O sound in them. So listen. Joe gave me a beautiful golden bowl. It was so old, but I broke the bowl. Now Joe is going to scold me. Okay, did you hear the O sound repeated many, many times in that passage? If you want to practice, go back, pause the video, and think about which words have the O sound, because now I'm going to show you exactly which words have the O sound. Okay? Here you go. They're all highlighted in orange. Here is the target sound. So now you can practice reading this short passage, concentrating on the O sound. Let me repeat the passage for you once more. Joe gave me a beautiful golden bowl. It was so old, but I broke the bowl. Now Joe is going to scold me. Okay, I hope this lesson has helped you. I hope it's opened your eyes up to this English sound. It's a very, very common sound in English, O. Start to notice the pattern of spelling in English. When we have sounds like O, a typical spelling pattern is OE. For example, Joe, J-O-E, toe, T-O-E. Start to notice patterns like this. Another common pattern is O-W, bowl, B-O-W-L. Another one is simply O, for example, S-O, or G-O, so, go. So in English, certain sounds have certain spelling patterns. And when you start to notice these patterns, your pronunciation will start to improve. And also, listen carefully to native speakers. When they speak, start thinking about the different sounds they're using. Start focusing on this sound, and then once you've got the hang of this sound, you can move on to another sound and start focusing on that one. So I hope this has helped you. Hit the thumbs up button if you like more of the same kind of video. Leave a comment if you have any questions. I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.